game that I created, and also show some inspired pictures where I take the inspiration from. Also, I will show some sketching drawings from my game, also where in the platform where I created it. So here we are. This is the world of Gia. Woohoo! The world of Gia is based on one of the 13 SDGs. Like I chose to do the climate pollution. I don't know why I was about to say crime, but the climate pollution is the 13 SDG as far as I know, and it's based on biopollution. We have 4 biomes, but I only created now one level for the moment. But we have 4 biomes that are being to a hard climate pollution. We have this ruined forest had uh, that is left out of civilization, and we have the mission to restore it. Okay, why is not working? I need to refresh. Okay, so here we are. This is our character Thalia. She is our main character, and our main task in this game is to collect all 8 artifacts and restore them to our statue, which is called the Statue of Gia, which will help us fix everything that's happening to our world. So let's begin. Here are some of my movements. Jumping doesn't really have much, but you can see how she's moving one leg, one arm. So let's first collect all artifacts. I had a really rough time with trying to figure out how to code, which is not my powerful assets since I'm mostly a game designer, concept artist. Then some program technician or like that, but I want to try and do some coding as well. So as you can see, I also have one error, like this artifact counting here. I don't know if you can see, I don't know. It's not supposed to be in the middle of the screen, but it's supposed to be in the corner, the left corner. It's not intentional. It was supposed to be here. It's supposed to be there. I don't know why it go there. This is the background is one of my pieces that I showed like I got inspired by our forest. Here is our statue, and now we'll bring our artifacts to it. I didn't add animation. I'm sorry about that. But here is our level completed. In the future, I'll make more levels. I hope I'll figure out how to do that. But for now, we have this. So when we click restart, we can exit from the game. It will take us to the main menu, and we can click exit and exit the game. The platform that I use for inspiration of the platform game is Pinterest. I've used Pinterest a lot of times for many of my projects, and I can say it gives me a lot of inspiration. Like this one here, it shows a really beautiful forest. I try to do a parallax layered background. I think at the end it just turned out as one layer. I don't know how. Now I show my aspirate, my projects. What I didn't add to the game, which I already did, and why I don't add them. Firstly, originate my game was supposed to be top down view. Didn't work out with my tiles. Yes, didn't work out. And then I decided to go to a platform game. And so I created these tiles here. These pipes, I'm really proud of how I did these pipes. And I didn't got the chance to use them, but in the future I will for sure use them in future game. Also, these ruins were supposed to also be in there. As you can see, they are top-down view, but I couldn't just put them like that in the game. These are one of the tiles that I was supposed to use as a ground level ground, and yeah, we also have here the statue, and here is our full design of the character and her movements. I think I mentioned that her name is Taimia. She's our main character. She's explorer and she's helping out to restore our biomes. I think that's everything that they showed, that I needed to show. I hope you enjoy it as far as much as I did. I really do, and I hope we reach the end soon. That will be from me. I hope to see you again